is good enough and large enough and great enough to help us to go on. I wish that Bill Smith could have understood that, could have traded that the other day when he had those thoughts to kill himself. I wished he would have known he could have made that exchange to God's grace and helped him through that time. Well, how many's ever said, man, I'm just not able. I'm just not able. If you give it to God, He'll give you the ability to do unbelievable things. I'm telling you, He'll do it. If you give Him, you're not able, give it to Him. God, I'm not able. He says, okay, I know that. Well, so I'm going to give you the ability to do things. I am able. God is able to make all grace abound unto me. 2 Corinthians 9:8. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. Somebody say amen. So just tell Him, I'm not able to do it. He says, okay, I already knew that. Here, I'm going to give you the ability to do it. What about impossible things? If you give it to God, He'll give you hope, and He is the all things possible God. I said He is the all things possible God. You know what 18:27 of Luke? With God, all things are possible. Amen? How many has ever experienced loss? Well, I think just a few weeks ago, months ago, Ed and Nancy just about lost their whole house. Their whole floor went out. Just about lost everything there, Mr. Ed. But you gave that to the Lord, and I think you're doing good now, right? We give our losses to God, and He gives us gain. Philippians 3:10 says that I might know Him in the power of His resurrection. He gives us gain, and He is my treasure. What about impossible situations? He's the miracle breakthrough. How many are glad that God is the way maker? Psalm 77:19. Your way is in the sea. Your path is in the great waters. Your footsteps are not known, but you are the way maker. Yes. Isaiah 43:16. Thus saith the Lord, which makes a way. And what referring to, God opened up the Red Sea and pushed the waters back, pushed them back, and the children of Israel went right on dry ground. Why? Because God is the way maker. I said God is the way maker. Amen? Well, this is better than Canada at 40%, don't you think? Better than Canada at 40%. Amen. Okay, now don't put your notes away. Get them back out. I ain't through yet. Okay, don't be mad. I thought I was too, but I forgot. Okay, look at your first column. Okay, we're going to look at it a different way. You've been going across. Now we've got to go down. I give you, God, I give you abandonment, bondage, broken dreams, broken relationships, brokenness and darkness, doubt, dryness and barrenness and fears and fickleness, financial need, grief, emptiness, failure, heaviness, wholeness, hunger, hurts, things I can't do, I can't forgive myself, I can't go on, I'm not able, impossibilities, loss, impossible situations. And what does He give us? He gives us His presence, freedom, desire, reconciliation, wholeness, lights the way, confidence, springs and rivers, hand to hold, faithfulness, supply, comfort, fullness, victory. I said glad heart, habitation, sanctification, satisfaction, healing, encouragement, forgiveness, sufficient grace, ability, hope, gain, and miracle breakthrough. Somebody say amen. I sound like a can't-meet speaker, don't I? One more. Because you are Emmanuel, my Redeemer, the eternal purpose, the restorer of the breach, the Spirit of the Lord, the miracle-working God, my hope, the living water, who is there, the God who is there, covenant-keeping God, the God of all provision, the God of all comfort. All, He's all in all. My shield, my joy, my dwelling place, the bread of life, Jehovah Rapha, my healer, God of my confidence, my atoning sacrifice. You are all. I am able. All things are possible. God, He is my treasure. He's the way maker. I'm glad that He's the way maker. Whew, I'm out of breath, people. I'm worn out. I'm an old man to be doing this kind of stuff. Let's stand together. Come on.